Today I'm going to show you how to make an animated coin that adds to your leaderboard whenever you pick it up. Let's get started. And I do have a leaderboard already in here. This is just my default leaderboard. Biggest thing is that I've got a int value in here called coins. So in the coin model that we have, I'm going to insert in an int value. So int value, there we go. And this will be called our coin value. There you go, and I'm just gonna make this 1 for now. This makes it so it's easy to edit through a script. The next thing we'll do is insert a script in here. So let's insert object script, and we are going to name this script animate. So in our animate script, we are going to type the following: local bounce height, and this will be how high you want it to bounce. I'm just gonna have it set to 0.5. Our local bounce speed, that will be 1.5, and local spin speed equals 5. So it's going to be pretty slow. These are all in seconds, by the way. So we'll type local tween service equals game : get service tween service. And we'll type local part equals script.parent part.orientation equals vector3. If I can spell vector right. Vector3.new part.orientation.x. Then we'll type in math.random 0, 180, and then we'll do part.orientation.z. Next, we'll define our part position. So local part position equals part.position. Local part orientation equals part.orientation. Next, we'll type local bounce goal equals, and we'll make this a table, bounce goal dot position equals vector3 dot new part position dot x part position dot y plus bounce height, and then part position dot z. There we go. And next we'll type local bounce equals tween info dot new bounce speed enum dot easing style dot sign enum dot easing direction dot in out -1 true 0. We'll close that with a parentheses, and then we'll type local bounce tween equals tween service create part bounce goal. Next we'll type local spin goal equals brackets spin goal dot orientation equals vector3 dot new part orientation dot x part orientation dot y part orientation dot z plus 180. This just makes it so it spins. Then we'll type local spin equals tween info dot new spin speed enum dot easing style dot sign enum dot easing direction dot in out -1 false 0. And actually we'll change this to linear. Then we'll type local spin tween equals tween service create part spin goal, then bounce tween play, and we'll do spin tween colon play. There we go. Awesome. So we've got our animate script done now. All right, so the next thing we'll do is insert into this coin. We're going to insert another script. So script, there we go. I'm going to name this script pickup controller. There we go. And this one's pretty short. It just makes it so that we actually get something from the coin. So first thing we'll type out is local players equals game colon get service players. There we go. Script dot parent dot touched colon connect function, and we'll call on the player part here. There we go. So next we'll type if player part dot parent colon find first child humanoid isn't equal to nil, then local player equals players colon find first child player part dot parent dot name local coins equals player dot leader stats colon find first child parentheses coins dot value equals coins dot value plus script dot parent dot coin value dot value, and script dot parent colon destroy. So we actually have that all done now, so I'll go ahead and start the game. So as you'll notice, the coin is spinning, and then if I come on over and try to pick it up, there we go. It picks up perfectly and adds to our coins. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if that's something you want to do, or leave a comment about anything that you'd like to see a tutorial about.